Yeah, ASRE is organizing a conference where Delhi Metro is a stakeholder, and all other metros of India is being called or is participating in this conference, uh, where a lot of deliberation of all the metros are there in this conference. So far as the items of conference is concerned, all metros are using. ASRE is organizing this conference where the DMRC is a stakeholder, and all other metros of India is participating big way in this conference. So far as the items which is being deliberated or the equipments which is being deliberated in this conference, we are using almost all the items where ASRE their contribution, such as chiller, such as AHU, ventilation fans. In this, energy conservation will be one of the items where a lot of deliberation will be there, because all these items of air conditioning takes lot of energy, and energy conservation has to be done so that the metro, which is most cost oriented, can be minimized. For this, we have got many presentations and many stakeholders are giving their papers on this. We at Delhi Metro has done lot of works on this, where we have used chiller as well as AHU and other equipments also for their energy conservation point of view, where we have used most efficient energy chillers and most efficient air handling units. But over and above that, this time we have used lot of variable frequency drives to control or to minimize energy conservation. And the rating system of metro, where IGBC has rated all our stations which is coming in phase 3 with platinum rated, both existing as well as our stations which is upcoming.